Hey, are you looking for stylish and affordable glasses that won't break your back? And if you have been wearing glasses for years like me, then you know the struggle browsing online glasses, online frames, or visiting stores, spending hundreds of dollars on trending frames, only to have them break in an instant. Snap, boom, and then you're back to square one. But why to spend $200, $300 when you can get high quality customized glasses at a fraction of a cost? Stick around here till the end. I have a special offer just for you. Have you heard about Firmoo? I had not either until they reached out to me and sent me these glasses and asking for my honest opinion. No strings attached, friends. It is well-known online eyewear brand offering a variety of trendy and prescription glasses at budget-friendly pricing. What I loved about Firmoo glasses is that they're affordable pricing as compared to retail stores. Stylish, trendy, and wide selection of frames for all face shapes from classic to modern styles. Customizable lens option to fit your needs, prescription, blue light, UV protection, sunglasses, fast shipping, and secure packaging. Nowadays, kids are so many into the screen time. You can also get UV protection, raised glasses frame for them too. And now I'm thrilled to show you this eyeglass. When I opened this package, my daughter's reaction was, she said it all, "Oh my god, mom, this is so slay." I was too impressed with the box branding. It is so colorful. She was more excited than I was to open this glass box. The glasses came well packaged with a premium microfiber cleaning cloth. And when I see the glasses, I was like, wow, means wow. Let's wear them now. Oh my god. This looks so stylish, trendy. The frames are lightweight yet sturdy, and they fit perfectly. The prescription was also spot on, and the lenses are really crystal clear. If you also want to buy this glass, then the style number is mentioned in the screen, or else visit the website or choose your own design. I'll share the website in the description box. The original price for this frame is $31, but with my discount code, you can snag them at 50% discount. Yes, you heard me right. Just half off, friends, half off. As low as just $17, $18. Absolutely worth buying. So give them a try and don't miss to add my exclusive discount code, which is again mentioned in the screen at checkout to ensure discount and save money. This is Prabchi, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more fashion and beauty content. Let me know in the comments which frame style are you going to buy. Thanks for watching this. See you soon in the next video. Ta-da!